I tested a bunch of different times and temperatures to figure out the best air fryer boiled eggs time for soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs. So I'm sharing the timing that worked best for me so you can get perfect eggs every time. Let me show you how I did it. Place medium-sized eggs straight from the fridge in a single layer in the air fryer basket. I do not preheat the air fryer for this method, so the eggs can go right in while they are still cold. Just try to leave a little space between them if you can. They should not be stacked or packed in tightly because the hot air needs room to move around each egg. Air fry the eggs at 270 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 132 degrees Celsius, and choose the time based on how you like the yolk. I do 12 minutes for soft-boiled eggs with a thick, runny yolk, 14 minutes for medium-boiled eggs with a jammy yolk that is mostly set in the center, and 16 minutes for hard-boiled eggs with a fully set yolk. Once the eggs have cooked for the time you want, drop them straight into a bowl of ice water. This stops them from cooking more, so the yolks stay the way you want them instead of getting firmer. After a few minutes in the ice water, the eggs should be cool enough to handle and much easier to peel. So, let's see how these air fryer eggs turned out. If you like cooking eggs in the air fryer, try this air fryer egg on toast recipe here next. It is simple, takes only a few minutes, and makes a really good quick breakfast. Check it out now!